Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to configure an iPad to be able to look up shared addresses from my ConnectXF server. You can use the same instructions for configuring an iPhone. To be able to look up, I need to configure an LDAP account on the iPad. So, I will go to the home screen and choose Settings. Then choose Mail, Contacts and Calendar option and then Add Account. You can configure various accounts from the screen. Since I have to sync an LDAP account, I will choose Other and then Add LDAP account. On this screen, I need to provide the account information, where server means server name or public IP address of the ConnectXF server. In this case, I will enter the IP address of the server. For username, I will put the string in the format mail equals to email ID, comma, DC equals to address book. For example, say mail equals to john.smith@acmecorp.co.in, comma, DC equals to address book. And then the password associated with it. The description field is populated with the LDAP server details entered, but I can put a short description over here like Acme Corp address book and then tap Next. Now iPad tries to connect to the ConnectXF server and checks the security types as supported. Please note that this may take some time. Then iPad tries to configure the account using SSL, a protocol used to encrypt the data in transit. However, since my server is not configured to SSL, I will choose Continue to connect without using SSL. Now I need to provide the search settings for the account. For base, put DC equals address book and then provide description for these settings if required. I will leave it as it is. The default value for the search scope is subtree. I will keep it as it is and save this account, which completes the configuration. Now I don't need to remember or type the email IDs of my colleagues while composing an email. To compose an email, I will go to the home screen and choose the mail option. As I start typing the email address in the recipient box, iPad populates a list of matching email addresses from which I can choose the required one. Now I would like to view my colleague Mark's contact details. For that, I will go to the home screen and choose Contacts. Then I will choose Groups and Search Settings under Acme Corp address book. Here I will enter the letter M. iPad gives a list of all email IDs containing the letter M. I will choose Mark to view the details. So this way you too can configure the LDAP directory account on your iPad. For more information, visit xf.yk.mithi.com. Thank you.